Good morning. Today we will discuss infrared spectroscopy in BSc Part 2 Organic Chemistry. In previous class we discussed fingerprint region. The infrared spectrum of an organic compound may roughly be divided into two regions. First is functional group frequency region. This region extends from 4000 to 1250 centimeter inverse, and characteristic stretching absorption band of different functional group are observed in this region. There are very few peaks in this region and is very helpful for the identification of the functional group. Another point is fingerprint region. The region 1250 to 667 centimeter inverse in the infrared spectrum is known as fingerprint region because this is highly characteristic of a compound just like fingerprint of person. This region contains absorption band due to carbon-carbon, carbon-oxygen and carbon-nitrogen stretching vibrations and absorption caused by bending vibration. Today we will discuss characteristics absorption of various functional groups. The characteristic absorption bands which are helpful in the identification of fundamental groups in different class of compounds are as follows. First is alcohols. There are many two characteristic absorption bands in the infrared spectra of alcohols. First is OH stretching vibration. The region of this stretching is 3650 to 3000 centimeter inverse. Actual position and shape of the absorption band depends on hydrogen bonding. A free OH group displays a sharp band at 3650 to 3590 centimeter inverse, while hydrogen bonded OH group shows a broad band at lower number 3580 to 3000 centimeter inverse. CO stretching vibration. The region of CO stretching vibration is 1260 to 1000 centimeter inverse and produces a strong band. Effect of H bonding on OH stretching vibration. A dilute solution of an alcohol in CCl4 or in vapor state shows a sharp OH band at 3640 centimeter inverse. But in concentrated solution, a broad band is observed at 3300 centimeter inverse due to hydrogen bonding. This is diagram of ROH in vapor phase. The region is 3640 centimeter inverse. ROH in concentrated solution, the range is 3300 centimeter inverse. This is the molecule of ROH. OH stretching vibration, the region is 3650 to 3000 centimeter inverse. Second is 3650 to 3500 centimeter inverse. CO stretching vibration, the region is 1260 to 1000 centimeter inverse. In another diagram, The region is 3530 centimeter inverse CS3COOH in vapor phase. The region is 300-3500 centimeter inverse CS3COOH in liquid phase. This is the dimer of CS3COOH. Effect of dilution is remarkably different in intramolecular and intermolecular hydrogen bonding. There is no effect of dilution on intramolecular hydrogen bonding. For instance, in orthohydroxyacetophenone, intramolecular hydrogen bonding OH appears at 3040 centimeter inverse and is not affected by dilution. The intermolecular hydrogen bonded OH of parahydroxyacetophenone appears at 3130 centimeter inverse and is shifted to 3600 centimeter inverse on dilution. This is the diagram for 3040 centimeter inverse intramolecular hydrogen bonding, no effect on dilution. This is the diagram for intermolecular hydrogen bonding, shifted to 3600 centimeter inverse on dilution. The range is 3130 centimeter inverse. In this molecule, the range is 3040 centimeter inverse. Second type is aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, amides and ester. CO stretching vibration. The compounds having CO groups shows a characteristically strong absorption band in the region 1800 to 1500 centimeter inverse due to CO stretching vibration. The exact position of its band varies in different classes of compounds as mentioned in the section and depends upon the following factors. First is conjugation. Conjugation. It lowers the frequency of C double bond or stretching whether the conjugation is brought out by an alpha beta unsaturation or by an aromatic ring. This is CH3 C double bond or CH3. The range is 1720 centimeter inverse. This is CH3CO CH2 CH3. The range is 1700 centimeter inverse, and in this molecule the range is 1700 centimeter inverse. This is about conjugation. Now the second point is mesomeric effect. Plus M effect will lead to lowering of frequency, whereas minus M effect will shift the frequencies to higher wave numbers. This is diagram for plus M effect. The frequency wave number is 1686 centimeter. In this diagram, minus M effect show 1710 centimeter inverse frequency wave number. Third type is inductive effect. It is difficult to consider inductive effect in isolation from mesomeric effect. In some cases, inductive effect is predominant over M effect, while in other the reverse is true. In this diagram, CH3CO CH3, the range is 1720 centimeter inverse. In this diagram, plus M is greater than minus I, In this diagram, minus I is greater than plus M. And this molecule, minus I is greater than plus M. Now the last point is ring strain. Aliphatic and six-membered cyclic ketones are free from strain. However, decrease in the ring size causes strain in the angle, and energy for carbonyl stretching increases and absorption shifts towards higher wave numbers. In this diagram, the range is 1720 centimeter. Inverse in this diagram 1715 centimeter inverse, and this molecule 1750, and in this molecule 1775 centimeter inverse ring strain. So this is all about characteristics absorption of various functional groups.